Hi students, good morning to all of you. So today we discuss about the conormal points or feet of normals in parabola. Right. What does it means? Let us see. This is the parabola y square equal to 4x. Right. What is the conormal points? What is the conormal points? The points on the parabola from which the normals pass through a common point. Let us see. This is the point on the parabola, tangent, and this is the normal. Tangent and this is the normal. Tangent and this is the normal. These all pass through a common point. These all pass through a common point. So let us see this. This is the point A, B, C. The normals drawn from the points A, B, C. These normals pass through a common point. Let it be the some point H comma K. H comma K. The normals pass through a fixed point, common point H comma K. Then the points A, B, C are called co-normal points or feet of normal. This is the normal and this point is the feet of normal. The points A, B, C are called co-normal points or feet of normals. Right. Now what is the equation of normal and what is the point A? See. What is the equation of normal? Equation of normal. Let us take in slope form. Equation of normal y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. This is the equation of normal. Now, these all the normals passes through point h comma k. It passes through p of h comma k. P of h comma k. What it means? K equal to mh minus 2am minus am cube. Take this side. Am cube plus 2am minus mh plus k equal to 0. That is plus am cube plus take m common 2a minus h plus k equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. This equation has three roots m1, m2, m3. Three roots m1, m2, m3. Right. Now for this cubic equation, what is the S1, S2, S3? What is the S1? What is the S1? S1 equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. That equal to 0. And what is the S2 equal to? M1 M2 plus M2 M3 plus M3 M1. M3 M1 is equal to 2a minus h by a. And what is the S3 equal to? M1 M2 M3 equal to minus k by a. This is S1, S2, S3 for this one. So what are the points? Can you tell me what about A, B, C? What is the A point? A point is, if this is the equation of normal in slope form, then A point is am square comma 2ab. Am square comma minus 2am. These are the three roots. am1 square comma minus 2am1. And what is the B point to? am2 square comma minus 2am2. And what is the C point to? am3 square comma minus 2am3. This is the C point to A, B, C. These are the three co-normal points or feet of normals. And what is the relation we have? S1, S2, S3. Based on these three relations, we have some properties. See the properties. Properties of conormal points. The first one. What is the sum of the slopes? M1 plus M2 plus M3 is 0. That means the algebraic sum of slopes of conormal points. the algebraic sum of slopes of conormal points is 0. Right? Algebraic sum of slopes of conormal points is 0. And second point, the sum of ordinates of conormal points. The sum of ordinates of conormal points is 0. What is the sum of ordinates? y1 plus y2 plus y3. What is this equal to? Minus 2am1 minus 2am2 minus 2am3. Take minus 2a common. m1 plus m2 plus m3. That equal to minus 2a into 0. This whole thing is 0. Next, third one. Right. Suppose this ABC. What is the centroid of triangle ABC? y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 0. That means the centroid of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC lies on axis of parabola. The centroid of triangle ABC lies on axis of parabola. Now there is one very important point is there. The fourth one. What is that? Suppose from the point P of h comma k, three distinct normals are drawn. If three distinct normals are drawn from P of h comma k. Three distinct normals are drawn from P of h comma k. So then there should be three normals, m1, m2, m3, three distinct normals. Right. So m1, m2, m3 are three different numbers. Then what we have? Obviously we have m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square is greater than 0. So if m1 equal to 0, remaining two are non-zero quantities because they are distinct numbers. Right. What is the next one? m1 plus m2 plus m3 whole square minus 2 into m1 m2 plus m2 m3 plus m3 m1 greater than 0. This is 0 minus 2 into what is s2? 2a minus h by a greater than 0. Now what it implies? Multiply with minus 2a minus h minus 2a is greater than 0. What it means? H greater than 2a. This is the very, very important condition. If from the point h comma k, we draw three distinct normals, then the condition on abscissa. What is the condition on abscissa? H must be greater than 2a. H must be greater than 2a. Right, students? So this is about the co-normal points or feet of normals. Everybody go through once again and go through slowly and try to note down this. Right, students? Thank you very much.